Do you put commas inside or outside the quotation marks? What about periods, dashes, or question marks? It's actually easier than you think. Punctuation that introduces a quote never goes inside the quotation mark. Never. But that's not complicated. The real question is, does punctuation at the end of a quote go inside or outside the quotation mark? In American English, commas and periods always go inside the quotation mark, while they don't in British English. The Brits always have to be different, don't they? The Brits use single quotation marks instead of double quotation marks, which still blows my mind, but hey, that's another difference. Colons, semicolons, and dashes always go outside the quotation mark. And question marks and exclamation points, well, they do their own thing. Basically, if a question mark or exclamation point is part of the quote itself, it goes inside the quotation marks. Otherwise, it goes outside. I ask my kids, why do you two always fight? Who first said keep calm and carry on? See the difference? Those are the basics. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a part 2. Follow me for more writing, vocab, and communication tips.